Hello there, today we'll be cooking a delicious vegan stir-fry beef that you will love to include in your recipes. The ingredients we'll use are chopped garlic, vegetable broth, soy sauce, fresh cilantro, tomato, red pepper, green pepper, and red onion. But now let's get down to business. Let's start by cutting the tomato and garlic into fine pieces. For the red and green peppers, we'll make cuts of 1 inch on each side. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's heat our oil until it reaches the perfect temperature to then add our delicious asada. Now we slide the red pepper, green pepper, and chopped garlic into the skillet. With gentle movement, we blend all the ingredients together. We add the vegetable broth, soy sauce, and the other vegetables. Do a final mix and add a bit more of salt or olive oil if needed. For the finishing touch, sprinkle the fresh cilantro. And voila! Your asada is ready to eat. Now let's take it to the next level. Like a side, let's do tostones, rice and beans. But how do you prepare the tostones? Don't you worry, it's simple. Let's start by peeling the plantain, cutting it into pieces and frying them. After a few minutes, take them out, carefully flatter them and return them to the heat for another couple of minutes. And there you have it, a perfect side for your delicious asada. I hope you enjoyed this simple but incredibly delicious recipe. Thank you for joining, and until next time!